Billy Burns, with an address at Arlington Lodge in Tralee, pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity to the murder of his mother, but following 6 hours of deliberation, a jury found him guilty of murder. Detective Inspector John Kelly, seen here in the middle, told the court today that Miriam Burns died at her home in Ardchanavuli in Killarney in August 2022. A post-mortem on the 75-year-old found that she died from asphyxia due to manual strangulation, along with blunt force trauma to the head. The court heard that Mr. Burns had mental health issues and a history of drug abuse. The trial hearing that he was suffering a manic episode related to bipolar at the time of the incident, but the jury found that he killed his mother due to long-term abuse of drugs and alcohol and not as a result of a mental illness. Neighbours found Miriam Burns' body in the living room of her house on the 15th of August 2022 after her family became concerned when they couldn't contact her. Billy Burns had attempted to cover his tracks in the days after he killed his mother and had taken items from the house and tried to burn them. A blood-stained cushion and a piece of Miriam Burns' nightdress were subsequently found. Miriam Burns was a mother of 4 children. Billy Burns' siblings were in court today as their brother was sentenced to life behind bars. Family members choosing not to make a victim impact statement. In sentencing, Judge Karen O'Connor said the Burns family had displayed extraordinary dignity despite the heartbreaking evidence of the violent nature of their mother's death. She said during the trial she got a sense of the type of woman Miriam Burns was. She was kind, loving, with a strong sense of purpose, and she always had a big smile. She said the Burns family would continue to honour their wonderful mother for the rest of their lives. She sentenced Billy Burns to the mandatory life in prison. Aisling na Costello, Virgin Media News.